Hello peeps, Mr. ATC once again back to you for another idea of housing. And today it's gonna be all about creating another bed, another very large, extra large bed in order for you to relax in your bedroom. As you can see in the preview that I shared with you, here I've been using 10 EUR pallets in order to create a beautiful bed. You know that it's not the first bed that I've created. The first project, the first pallet bed that I've created is one of the most viewed project in our channel, the MyATC TV channel. If you don't know about it, I will advise you to subscribe just right here, then click on the bell to receive a notification every time I am sharing new content with you. And remember that for this project, I will be also sharing with you a link to download a 3D plan in order to help you to make it yourself. Because as you can imagine, all those projects are here for you in order to help you to reproduce the same thing. Alright, check out the links below in the video description and you will be able to sign up and receive your free plan to do it yourself. Alright, for now, I think it's time for me to show you how I did it. Let's go. Alright, so as I just told you, here I will be using mainly 10 EUR pallets. And note that those 10 pallets are not the only one I will use, but later on in this video, you will be able to see all the other pallets used for this design. And the first thing I will do here is to put on the side the best one, the one that are better and I will say clean. Then I will start to lay on the ground the other 4 ones that are a little bit more dirty than the first one. When the first layer is flat to the ground, I'm gonna use now the other 4 in order to put them on top of the first layer. Then to use after that the last 2 pallets in order to create the headboard of this bed. As you can imagine, I'm not gonna keep it that big. Here I'm gonna be cutting part of it with my reciprocating saw and remove all the part including the big blocks. I know that some people really like those blocks, but I think for this design it doesn't make any sense to keep them. But if you would like to, you can of course keep them. Your design is always up to you. On this channel, I'm just sharing my ideas with you. That's it. So when I'm done removing all the wooden blocks, I'm gonna move and screw some screws over each of the boards here in order to make sure that they don't move too much. So keep in mind that I'm gonna be also keeping the current blocks in order to use them for another project. So stay posted here. So before moving to the next stage, which is sanding and adding some screws, I'm gonna make sure all the nails stays inside. And keep in mind that sanding is the part that you will really need to put a lot of focus on. So here I'm making sure to sand as much as possible in order to remove all the splinters and all imperfections to the wooden boards. And also later on I will be showing you my wood burning method, which will help you to remove the splinters. As you can see, I'm also sanding the top of the bed to make sure that I'm removing as much as dust that I can, and after that using my air pressure to blow it up. In the next step here, I'm using my blowtorch for 2 reasons. First is to give a rustic effect to this side of the wood, and the second one, as I told you earlier, it's also helping to smooth down the wood. And also keep in mind that I will be applying the same method on top of the bed. as you can see me doing it here. And I'm gonna be completely honest with you, I really like the effect that this wood burning is giving to the bed. I don't know for you, but I love it. Alright, so at the end of this wood burning, all this wood burning, because as you can imagine it's a lot, here is the nice effect that I have over the top of the bed. And in order to keep it permanent, I'm gonna use some transparent lacquer all over the bed where I applied the wood burning. And as you can imagine, the pallets are not attached to each other yet. And in order to do so, I'm gonna use here some screws, but I'm gonna make sure here to use them on the corner of each pallet here, so that all those screws stays almost invisible. And as you can see, you can even put your fingers on top of it, on top of them, because they are really inside the wood. Then also adding some screws on the back of the headboard, but make sure here, if you're doing the same, to screw directly on the big blocks. Alright, let's move on. So as I told you before, I've been also using some other pallets, and those are the leftover from another project. I don't know if you remember the project from last week, the wooden pallet bench. All these are the leftover that I'm gonna use in order to put all over the side of the bed. And I will be also using those long slats here on the headboard. I will be showing you in a few minutes how I'm gonna do it. But before doing all that, of course, I will need to remove the nails from those pallets. Then after that, clean them using my thickness planner. And after that, moving back to the bed in order to see how I can dispose them. And in order to add a different pattern on the back, on the top of the headboard actually, I will be applying here a 30-degree cut to each wooden board. Then at the end, this is what they should look like. But before going to the painting and attach them to the headboard, I've decided to round up a little bit the edges to make it easier and more beautiful on the bed. Not that I will be rounding up the edges for all the slats, even the small ones. Then here, I'm painting it in white, and the other one will be in pink, to finally use some wood glue and attach using my nail gun. Then the other smaller wooden slat will be used all around the bed in order for me to create some kind of dominoes effect. And I will be of course using the same color, white and pink, all around. Except the side. On the side I will be using the wood burning effect with a little bit of transparent lacquer, like I did for the top. Then after that, moving to the other front side of the bed. And when I'm done with all this, here I am with a beautiful pallet bed. And very, very large as well. If you want to see how it looks like in the bedroom, here you are. Look at this. Just beautiful. Et voila, here we are. So feel free in the comments below to let me know what you think about it, if you would even add anything else.
Alright, so I hope that you like this project as I did. It was for someone that I really like, so I hope that you will enjoy it at the fullest, because that's the goal, you know, having a very large bed in your bedroom, one that you can also use in order to sit, so you don't have to sit on the mattress when you get up. It's one of the ideas that I wanted to share with you in order to help you to create your next project as well. That was Mr. ATC for you, for another idea of housing. As usual, always for another idea of housing through recycling. And if you're new to our channel, I will advise you to subscribe
just right here. Then click on the bell to receive a notification every time I'm sharing new content with you. And I will see you next time.